have a block when it comes to video? Have you noticed that everything online is moving to video? You see the problem, right? A few years back, at the end of 2017, I had a major block with being on video too. As a professional photographer, I was all about the photos, and despite being encouraged by clients, friends, and my husband to get more into videos, I was resistant. I had dabbled here and there with video, but never with any degree of commitment or purpose. That changed when I decided to record and post a video every day for a year. So in 2018, that's what I did. But what I thought would be a great marketing tool and the big break I was looking for turned out to be something altogether different. The deeper I got into that 365-day challenge, the more I realized I had a lot to learn about video. Yes, that included the technical stuff like learning how to optimize my YouTube videos for SEO and learning how to do efficient edits, but mostly I had a lot to learn about being on video, telling compelling stories, being comfortable talking to myself with a lens in my face. I remember this one time I was recording a video on a street in an affluent neighborhood in the center of Cape Town, and a random guy started shouting at me, insulting me, and berating me for recording myself in public. Ouch. That knocked my camera confidence and my fear of being judged skyrocketed. Thankfully, I stayed committed. I simply focused on my one important task for the day, and I allowed myself to hide at home and record until I was brave enough to record outside again. And I developed a mantra that helped me carry on, even on the days when my self-doubt threatened to derail me. And besides one occasion, nearly halfway through where I nearly gave up, I reached my goal and completed my 365 videos in 365 days.
Hey, and welcome to the final episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. This is episode 365, and I can't quite believe that we made it this far. So, for the final time, let's take a look at what today's thought on confidence is.
I learned so much as a result, and I've gone on to learn even more, and video has now become one of my favorite forms of creative expression and means of connecting online. If we haven't met yet, my name is Abigail. I'm an over 40 woman who's very much finding her way in life and business. They say life begins at 40. I disagree. Life begins the moment you take your first breath. In my experience, the adventure begins at 40. That's when we begin to really explore who we are, expand on the knowledge and resources we've gathered along the way, and express ourselves with a healthy dose of discomfort and a generous helping of truth. Personal, purposeful truth. Join the journey. So if you'd like to explore, expand, and express yourself through video, this is your personal invitation to join me for a 3-day video challenge. In 3 days, I'm going to demonstrate and help you craft, script, record, and edit your very own intro video to use on your website, YouTube trailer, or social media platforms. I'll even share my personal mantra that helped me get over my fear and self-doubt of video. I'm going to guide you every step of the way. You'll do as you learn. And by the end of 3 days, you'll hit publish on your very own About Me video. Here's some facts. 64% of viewers buy after watching a video. 46% of viewers take action after watching a video. An initial email with a video gets 96% more click-through rate. You can no longer allow your fear of video to prevent you from reaching the people you're here to serve. They need to see you, hear you, and connect with you, and video is the best tool you have right now. Are you ready to take up the challenge? Reach out to me if you want to join the step-by-step hand-holding 3-day video challenge. Details beneath this video.